Good.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Veronica. Today I will be showing you how to do this stunning, smoldering, purple smoky eyes look in no time. Yes, this is beginner friendly. So get your eyeshadow and let's practice. Or sit back, relax, and enjoy. Whatever you choose to do, it's up to you. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. And if you hadn't subscribed yet, please come on in and join the fam. Hit the notification bell so you can see every video I upload. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section below about what you would like to see next also. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm starting by using a purple eyeshadow base to serve as a base for my eyeshadow to make the color richer and deeper. I'm using just a plain concealer brush to spread over the eye. If you have hooded eyes, remember the folds. Remember to always apply above the fold. So when your eyes are open, the eyeshadow still can show through. Y'all also keep in mind that the base that you put on, if you're using a colored base, for your eyeshadow before you apply your eyeshadow, it also doubles as a concealer. Also, it's going to help your eyeshadow stay longer and stay in place. Now that base is down, it's patted out and it's dry, we're going to go in with the Violets eyeshadow palette by Juvia'S Place, and we're going to start with that, lay down that dark deep purple first. With smoky eye, you always start from dark and go up to light because you want it to be light as it goes up. Lighter from darker to lighter as it goes up to fade, and that gives it that sultry look. If you're wondering what kind of brush you should be using, you should use just a flat eyeshadow brush because you're just patting that color on. You're just patting, you're not worrying about blending, you're not worrying about any other thing like that. Just apply, just getting that color packed on. Now that I'm looking like a raccoon now with two purple eyes, what we're going to do is go into back into this Violets palette by Juvia'S Place, and we're going to blend out, soften those dark edges. We're going to use that light purple to kind of soften out and start blending those edges to make the look softer. Now we're going into the Juvia'S Place, the Nubian Royal palette, and we're going to use that pretty pinkish, purplish shade there, and we're going to further blend the edges of that purple out into a beautiful transition. So keep watching. Now we're shifting back to the Violets palette by Juvia'S Place and back to that light purple. And I'm gonna add that to the top, and I'm just gonna keep blending, alternating between those shades that were already mentioned until it's satisfactory to my liking, or to your liking if you're practicing. Wow, look at that blend. This is how your smoky eye should look when you're finished. If it doesn't look that way, keep adjusting. Get it just the way you want it. Now we're going to finish off this look. I'm going to just fast forward and just show you what I did to complete the look, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm applying some lipstick, and now it's time for the finished look. So hold tight. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.